Take chia seeds like this to relieve constipation, balance blood sugar, and lose weight. If you're bloated, backed up, or struggling with late-night cravings, this might be the one habit that changes everything. Sounds like one of those too good-to-be-true hacks, right? Rest assured, this one is real. It's backed by nutritional science, and it's made from simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. No expensive detox powders, no gimmicks, just a bedtime drink that works with your body. Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to make this powerful tonic, explain why it works, and how to use it the right way to actually see results. And trust me, once you try this for just a few nights, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Okay, we're starting with a glass of warm water, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These little guys are packed with soluble fiber, and when they absorb water, they form a gel. That gel bulks up your stool, keeps things moving, and helps you feel fuller longer. It's like a natural broom for your gut, sweeping out anything that's been stuck. We'll let them sit for 10 to 20 minutes. All right, our chia seeds have thickened up nicely. Now it's time to flavor it and add some serious benefits. First up, let's squeeze in the juice of 1/4 of a lemon. Lemon juice stimulates stomach acid production, which helps your body break down food better. It also supports your liver, the organ responsible for detoxing and processing fat. Plus, it gives the drink a fresh, clean taste. Next, we're adding 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. It's amazing for balancing blood sugar, especially at night. It helps your body stay stable while you sleep, reduces sugar cravings, and even improves insulin sensitivity. We're also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Ginger is like a warm hug for your gut. It helps reduce gas and bloating, improves digestion, and gently stimulates movement through your intestines, so you wake up with less heaviness and better regularity. Then, just a dash of cayenne pepper. Don't worry, it won't make the drink spicy, just warm. Cayenne contains capsaicin, which boosts circulation, revs up your metabolism, and helps your digestive system absorb nutrients more efficiently. And last but not least, a little bit of raw honey. About 1/2 teaspoon is all you need. Besides smoothing out the flavor, raw honey helps prevent blood sugar crashes overnight and supports a deeper, more restful sleep. It also contains trace minerals and antioxidants that support your immune system and digestive health. Now give it a good stir. Make sure everything's well mixed and that the chia doesn't clump at the bottom. It should look kind of thick, almost like a loose gel. That's exactly what you want. Sip it slowly about an hour before bed. This drink works in harmony with your natural rhythm by hydrating your gut, stabilizing your blood sugar, and preparing your metabolism to function optimally in the morning. It's like prepping your digestive system to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to go. You'll wake up with less bloating. Your bowel movement will be easier and more complete. You might notice fewer sugar cravings the next day. And over time, it can actually help with fat loss, especially around the belly, because it's supporting your metabolism, digestion, and blood sugar all at once. Give this a try and let us know how it worked for you. And if you know someone who struggles with bloating, constipation, or just wants to feel lighter, share this video with them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health tips that actually work. See you in the next one.